Silverbeet Coleslaw with sticky chicken. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, then line a large baking tray with baking paper. Put the chicken in a large bowl and add honey, soy sauce, some sriracha or chilli sauce, and a little ketchup anise. Mix well, then leave for 15 minutes to allow the flavours to develop. When you're ready, arrange the chicken in a single layer over the lined tray and pop in the oven. Bake for 30 minutes, turning the chicken occasionally until the chicken is cooked through and the sauces thicken slightly. Leave it to cool before slicing. To make the Silverbeet slaw, add shredded silverbeet, cabbage and lettuce to a large bowl with apple and carrot matchsticks. For the dressing, add yogurt to a small bowl with some sriracha or chilli sauce and ketchup anise. If the dressing is too thick, mix in a little hot water to loosen it slightly. Season with salt and pepper. Cut the chicken into slices. To serve, divide the silverbeet and chicken among serving bowls. Drizzle over the dressing and serve with toasted pepitas, sunflower seeds and some sesame seeds. Topped with sticky chicken, this Silverbeet slaw makes a delicious main meal salad.